Hello, and thanks for stopping by. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in the Rumble app on your Android phone. Dark mode is a popular feature that helps reduce eye strain and save battery life. Follow along step by step, and you'll have it set up in seconds. First, open the Rumble app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the account option located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon, which you'll find in the top right corner. After that, scroll down and look for App Appearance. Finally, select Dark Mode from the available options. The theme will change instantly to dark, and your setting will be saved automatically. That's all for this quick guide. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoy simple tutorials like this one, consider subscribing for more Android tips and how-to videos.